Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials so changes stick. Sign into your Apple ID on the device and make sure the account country matches your billing address, mismatches block cards. Once done, update iOS to the latest version so the wallet and App Store accept new methods. Next, prepare the card details: number, CVV, expiry, and precise billing address. This prevents rejection for simple formatting errors and speeds configuration. You'll now add or edit the payment method step by step. Open Settings, tap your name, then Payment and Shipping. Authenticate with Face ID or password. Tap Add Payment Method or select an existing entry to edit. Choose the correct type, credit/debit, PayPal, or carrier billing, and enter the details exactly as on the statement. After tapping Done, expect a verification step from your bank. Authorize it quickly so the method becomes active. If prompted, re-enter your billing address to match the card. Finish by confirming the new method works. Make a small purchase or free download that charges validation. If the card is declined, call your bank to lift merchant blockers or to complete a 3D secure step. Sometimes the issuer needs authorization. If problems persist, remove and re-add the card, restart your device, or sign out and back into Apple ID to refresh settings. One key tip: mismatched country settings are a common silent blocker. Double-check region versus billing address before repeating steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.